Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today we compare the GoPro Hero 7 and Hero 6 in terms of battery life. Both cameras are using new batteries, so that the Hero 6 has no handicap due to an older one. The video was shot in a way that 1 second equals 1 minute of recording time of the cameras. As you can see, the Hero 7 recorded for 1 hour and 22 minutes, a little less than the Hero 6 with 1 hour and 31. As you can see here, the Hero 7 was producing more heat while recording. This can be due to tweaked up settings of the GP1 chip, which would explain the shorter battery life.